Wouldn't it be great if your blind date Rachel turned out to be Rachel Hunter, the international model, and you had a romantic dinner at the beach with beer, really great beer, like Keystone Light, and things went really well. So you had Rachel build you a beach house, because it turned out that Rachel was a great little homemaker. Cold filtered Keystone and Keystone Light. Bottle beer tastes in a can.
So what's left to do?
Finish shingling the roof.
I'll do that in the morning.
Wouldn't that be great?
Of all the trucks in its class, only Chevy 4-door S10 Blazer gives you four-wheel anti-lock brakes, standard, which helps you steer through a curve while braking. Without it, you don't have as much control. And why should that be important to you? Because in the real world, safety doesn't have to be an option. Chevy S10 Blazer.
The heartbeat of America. Today's truck is Chevrolet.
Are you ready for some monster truck action? Welcome to the world of USA Motorsports. We're going to take you on a journey through some of the highlights and lowlights of our high-horsepower non-stop tour. USA Motorsports has been scorching the globe throughout the U.S., Canada, Puerto Rico, and Australia to bring you the best of the best in monster truck racing, mud racing, and tractor pulling action, not to mention all-star daredevils and their breathtaking feats. Over the years, millions of spectators have been thrilled to see the exploits of these professionals who have traveled mile after mile to show what sets them apart from all other competitors in their own special way. Now sit back and enjoy the ride.